All right, example 5 says the data below represents the price and quantity demand for a personal computer. Use a graphing utility to draw a scatter plot. All right, so they gave us a bunch of data, so this is where we're going to use our stat edit.
I have a feeling that the X and Y is flipped.
No, because the quantity demanded will depend on what the price of the computer is. Okay, because the higher the price, the less demand. So it's going to be my L1 and my L2. I know y'all are typing. Excuse me. But when you get through, guys, you're going to go back into stat. Go over to calc. And now look, A says fit a logarithmic function to the data. Don't run linear regression. We want log regression.
Which one is that? LN or LN?
Yeah, there's only one log regression on there, and that's the LN regression.
Are we still doing Mars log?
So we're going to have to do the natural log regression, which I think is number 9. And then it's up to you. We're going to graph this. So if you wanted to paste the equation into your y equals, you can go ahead and after that hit vars. Go over to y vars. It's a function. And we're going to put it in y1. Now remember, you have to do that though before you calculate the natural log regression. So let's make sure we've got that, and let's find our equation. All right, so we've run our natural log regression, and so we got our equation, which is f of x equals
5, 6, 9. Are you using the decimals?
Yes, 3 decimals.
0.754.
Minus.
Minus. Is it minus?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, I could negative. Minus 3.907.
Times. Good. All right, so this is our equation, and it told us to draw the scatter plot up above. So remember to look at your scatter plot in your calculator. You can go to second y equals, and we want to turn on plot 1. So go in there, turn it on. Make sure your x is in y1, L1, your y is in L2. And then we can go to zoom and go down to zoom stat. And from there, it will graph it for us. And so we should see some points. I don't think they're that off. They're pretty good. There's a couple that are little wavy there. And our line should be kind of going down through the middle of them. Yes, it says to use a graphing utility to draw a scatter plot.
We don't need a label.
Okay, and then B says use the function above to find the number of personal computers that would be demanded if the price is $1,500. So is 1,500 going to be our X or our Y?
Our Y.
X.
Oh, is there X? Oh.
All right, so there's different ways you can do this. So we can plug 1,500 into our equation.
Oh, I thought. I see.
We could go to our table. It doesn't start at 1,500, but we could go to the table setup and change the beginning one to 1,500. Or some of y'all have learned about the ask feature. You can use the ask feature and find it. Either way, what was our answer?
175.52.
Yeah, 175.5 something, which means how many computers?
175.
175 computers.